So washing and care of the brace, this brace comes apart and comes apart quite well, quite easily. Everything can be washed. You can take away the insides of the brace. You want to wash it in lukewarm water with dish soap. And you want to let it air dry. So all of these pieces can come apart and those can all be hand washed. So one of the things I noticed and was asked around which strap goes where, and I put these in order of how I took those apart. The thickest one is the one that goes at the top, which is going to be right around your hamstring or at the top of your leg. This one was the center one, and that one was the lowest one. You could mark these as being which one goes where, but if you're going to be washing these, you're going to be taking them apart, and you can refit those pretty easily. So you can watch the refitting video to go over it if you have. My goodness, how's that? There is also this cover that comes off the hinge on the side that can be washed as well. And you have these are the bladder pads that are here. There's covers on the bladder pads that can be taken off. Once again, all of these can be hand washed in lukewarm water with dish soap and air dried. One of the things you'll want to do when you wash these pads, there are these little covers that are on the inside of these covers, and they go on the inside of the knee. So you could think of these pads, how they go back in is on either side of the knee like that. So when you put them back on the inside, they're going to be fitting like this. And they go back in. So when now everything is dried, you're going to put the brace back together. You're going to slide the bladders in the back. So on the plastic side, you're going to fit the bladder back in. Okay, just special note is when you're putting the cup back in, you're wanting these flaps to fold back towards and away from your knee. You'll fit this pad or this cup in here. And these flaps are going to I'm sorry, the bladder is going to fit in there on the plastic side where the cup part is going to be facing towards your knee. And then these flip over and hold the bladder in place. And then this is going to go right up against there. And there's Velcro that holds this into place. What I'm going to do is put the covers, the hinge covers, on. So we're covering up the bladders. So it covers that side up. Yep. Okay. And now I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to put these pads back in. So this is going to go, this is towards the thigh. This is the thicker part. And this is going to go by the shin, the lower part. I'm going to bend this. Set this in the center. Oh. You may have to tinker with this a little bit to get it to fit just right. So now there's the pad for the shin. And I find it best if you fold it all the way, and then you can put it in the very center. And then this goes over there. And then we'll take the clips, just slide the clips in. And there you go.